Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers group with my review of DFY Local Vids Pro, or Done For You Local Vids Pro to give it its full title. In this review I'm going to go through this product which was launched today, that is January the 9th at 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. There are 4 hours remaining of the early bird offer for $27, so if you like the product do get in quick and try and make that deadline. I'm going to go through whether it's value for money, what are the upsells available and whether we think they're good or not, and then go through my own personal bonuses. There are plenty of bonuses out there, as I'm sure you know, but I will go through my exclusive ones that you will only get from me by purchasing through the link underneath, which will take you to the bonus page that you're looking at the moment, which is my very own personal Elite Tigers group bonus page. Get the apologies out of the way. Those of you that saw my video review earlier today will know that we've had some renovations done at the property today, a new laminate floor laid in one of the main living rooms, and so because of that I'm not in my usual spot. There's clothes behind, it's all a little bit unprofessional, so there you go. That's life, isn't it? It gets in the way of everything. So, but never mind. We must press on, business as usual, as the man says. So let's have a look and see what we get with DFY Local Vids Pro. Well, it is a program, and there's a few pages to go through here. That is the one we've just been doing. Sorry about that. That's traffic multiplier. Told you we were disorganized today. Okay, so what is DFY Local Vids? It's a brand new collection of premium PowerPoint video templates that are aesthetic, responsive and easy to use, and it comes with beautiful artistic effects, and yet it's very easy to edit. All right, so it doesn't matter what kind of video you're looking to create, there's a video template for you, and DFY Local Vids makes video creation dead simple. Whether you want to create product display videos, e-commerce promo videos, cinematic videos, logo intros to your sales page, YouTube videos, Instagram, Facebook, we've got you covered with that. So let's just go back and show you. So examples here of some of the templates that are available. Obviously, you can have a look at the walkthrough video, but there's a wide of different niches that you can use these for, and you get a large number supplied with the package. So you've got advanced animations, dozens of templates to choose from, 100% created using PowerPoint, neatly labeled video elements, excuse me, and versatile video options. So whatever you're thinking of using video for, this will be an ideal medium for you to use. I think that I saw an interesting story the other day, because those of you that follow the Elite Tigers group, I'll tell you, this is quite interesting actually, will know that I'm the front man on all of our websites. You know, whenever you log on to an Elite Tigers group, the sign up page, you get a ramble from me, and then if you do sign up as a free member for any of my sites, you then get taken to our upsells page, and again it's me wittering on about why this upsell's very good, and then if you take that one you get another bit of wittering as to why the next one's even better and that you really need to be a VIP and so on. And so I suppose I'm a little bit egotistical. I like to be the front man on the site, and I think that I do a half decent job at selling the thing. But there's no doubt that although, you know, I may be building up a bit of a following and some people out there like me, there are some people that are put off as soon as they see me on a video. So it'll be, you know, it's the Marmite thing, isn't it? You love or you hate it. There'll be some people that say, oh God, not Dawud Islam again. I'm going to switch that one off straight away and move on to the next offer. So the one thing with animation is it doesn't seem to have that sort of same effect. Generally speaking, with videos that don't have people in, if you like, they sometimes get a better response. And I was reading a story about an insurance company that had put together at some considerable expense a professionally recorded sales video, you know, corporate video for their organization. It had something like 750 views, which was a very poor return on investment for the amount that this company had spent. It was an insurance company in America. Anyway, after 6 months together, their boffins in the PR department got together and marketing, and they put together an animated video instead, which actually cost a lot less to produce than the original one with all the corporate bods in had. And lo and behold, that got 35,000 views in about a week and a bit. So it just shows you, doesn't it? You know, sometimes you think that live video is the way to go, but sometimes it may not be. I'm not going to stop being the front man in our videos, I'm afraid. So if you are hoping for some exciting Kermit the Frog type characters to suddenly start appearing on the Elite Tigers videos, I'm sorry. I sort of am the brand, so you're stuck with me, really. If you like me, great. And if you don't, well, there are plenty of other offers available. So anyway, returning back to what we're talking about, which is DFY local vids. As I said, you will get 100 plus done for you video templates in this first offer. It normally costs 97. It's available for the next few hours for 27, and then it will be going up to 33. So in fact, looking at this now, at the time of recording this, so by the time I send it out, there's probably just going to be over an hour left to go. So you can boost your sales and conversion, save a ton of money on video experts, create videos much faster and easier, and there's simple editing in PowerPoint. And these are the guys that are behind it, Carson, Joshua, and Austin. See all this on the sales page, so I won't go through all of this again, because obviously you'll get a chance to see it. But what I will go through is why you should take it from me. It's my sales page and my bonuses that are available for 245. So when you land on this page, first of all, you see the walkthrough video about the product. So have a quick look at that. As I said, you'll get taken through afterwards to the sales page with a longer demo. This gives you the basic info you need to know. And then it shows you the bonuses, the Elite Tigers bonuses that you'll only get for taking it through me. And they're all relevant, 5 of them, all relevant to the product. Viral secrets exposed. This one's valued at 67. The secret code to going viral. Understanding YouTube ads, very important, especially if you're working with video. That one's normally worth 47. Conversion rocket ride, a vehicle to boost your conversions. Live streaming video profits. Again, you know, we didn't just pluck these out of thin air. They're all relevant to the subject matter. And produce videos for profit. There you go. You've got the tools to produce videos for profit. Now, with this product, you can find out how to use those tools to make some more money. All right, so those bonus packages are worth 245, and they're genuinely worth that. You know, you see some bonus pages and it's like, this package of bonuses is worth £6,300 if you bought it outright. That's rubbish, isn't it? No one would ever have paid £6,300 for half of the rubbish they're throwing at you. You know, it probably costs maybe 97 or, you know, 297 maybe, yeah? But it didn't cost $6,300 in freebies that they're throwing at you. So we you know that we like to keep it real here at the Elite Tigers Group. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Elite Tigers Group YouTube channel, by the way, and you will get honest reviews with no hype or BS. So that is it. And when you click on my video there, you'll get taken through to the actual sales page, which I've spoken about. You'll be seeing some animated explainer videos, which, as I said, that's an example of the one that replaced the insurance company video and dramatically increased. Login intro videos for your websites, Facebook cover videos, all sorts of videos, e-commerce videos, very relevant to us, Instagram story videos if you're into that sort of thing, promo videos. There's everything there, guys. I tell you, it's a good package, this one, and it's a decent price as well. So let's have a look at the OTOs. I think this is the right page now. I keep going back to Traffic Multiplier. I'll get there in a minute. I think they're under here. No, they're not. They're up here somewhere, maybe. We'll find them. We'll find them, guys. Just bear with me. It's been a mad sort of day. I think they must be down here. There we go. All right. So what do you get for your 27? You get 125 done-for-you video templates from different niches, 100 plus high-definition stock images, 50 stock audios, 100 plus cool animated illustrations, and 100 plus icons pack. Should you take it? Obviously, yes. Number 2. First upsell, 37 at the moment, 110 more video templates, 500 HD images, 250 stock audios, and a done-for-you agency site. So yes, that's good value, isn't it? 37, we definitely would go with that. Last one, done for you, local video reseller at 297, the right to rebrand and resell it. I think that's a little bit overpriced, really. You know, it takes a lot of effort, doesn't it, to be a reseller. If you've got a lot of experience in doing that sort of stuff before, then have a look by all means. But to me, that's overpriced. I can't recommend it. My overall star rating for this one be 3.5 to 4. Probably closer towards the 4 side. I think they're pretty decent. It's not an out of this world product, but it's a very good product, which is why I've added it to the slate. As I said, I only recommend stuff that I would use, and everything has to have had at least 3 stars before I'll record a video for it. I don't see the point in recording, you know, negative review products of something that I don't like as a way of getting you to try and buy something that I do like. That to me sounds a little bit of an unfair way to do things. I think it's a little bit disingenuous on people that have spent a lot of money and time putting a product together, which I might personally not like, but you know, that's my opinion. I think that I'm better off concentrating on products that I think have got value. I know that some people go down the route of, you know, producing a video maybe with some catchwords of so-and-so scam and things like that. And then they go on to tell you why their product is, this particular product is no good and why their product that they do actually want to sell you is so much better. I think that's a negative way of selling. I think it's unfair, as I said, on the owner that's developed a product. So I would never do that. So I don't record reviews at all of products that I don't like or wouldn't use. And that's just the way things are with the Elite Tigers group. So we do recommend this product and we give it a 3.5 to 4 stars rating. If you like it, as I said, please sign up from my bonus page. So you will, firstly, underneath this video, you will see a link which will take you to this page. And then as soon as you've had a look at that and you're happy with all the freebies that you would get for signing up from me, you can click any of these green buttons and they will take you then back to the actual sales page, which will give you some more information. And then if you're still happy, which hopefully you will be, you can come down to the bottom and at the moment you can get it for $27. So there you have it. That is our last review for today. This is Dawood Islam of the Elite Tigers group with my review of DFY Local Vids Pro.